very nice HBE 4000ton open die hot forging press for sale. We are very pleased to offer 2 sets of very nice HBE 4000ton open die hot forging presses for sale at a very nice condition. For over 30 years, HBE Press has been supplying high-strength, high-performance presses to the United States and Europe, and all over the world, based on its experience and know-how in manufacturing hydraulic forging presses. These presses are fully refurbished and upgraded, capable of performing like new products, and installation, commissioning and 1-year warranty service are to be provided. Main specifications: year of manufacture, 2008-2011. Nominal force, 3,500 tons. Upsetting force, 4,000 tons. Max stroke, 2,000 millimeters. Daylight, 4,000 millimeters. Die table, 2,000 by 4,000 millimeters. If you are interested, please feel free to contact us ktso07799@gmail.com.